Acai bowls are really popular and they're wildly pricey. You know what? When I look at it, I realize, why am I paying someone to make me a smoothie bowl with some toppings on top? I refuse to do it, and that's why I always keep frozen fruit stocked. So today, I'm gonna use blueberries and bananas to make a smoothie bowl.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
All right, I got my frozen bananas and my blueberries. Let me tell you a little about the other toppings that we have here. We've got some fresh fruit, we've got some nuts, we've got some granola, and we've got some coconut shreds here. When I think about the fundamental difference between a smoothie and a fruit bowl, it's all about the toppings, right? Let's make the base of this bowl, which is a smoothie. So we've got our blueberries here. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Some frozen banana. It's always nice when you've got frozen fruit because you don't have to put a whole bunch of ice in there, right? The ice is the frozen fruit.
So we want this smoothie to be pretty thick, so put very little liquid. You gotta put some liquid, otherwise it won't blend. I'm using almond milk. You could use any milk you want.
That is not enough milk. All right, we've got our super thick blueberry and banana smoothie. I could just take this smoothie and pour it right into a glass, but what we're going for today is that gorgeous, beautiful $15, look at that holy moly presentation that you can take a picture of and put on the internets. Except we're not gonna pay the $15 because we're doing it at home. We've got our smoothie and it is thick. Toppings are key, so I always like to have something crunchy, whether that's granola or chopped nuts or seeds, it's up to you. So I've got some almonds here. Nice.
Now we just have to be really thoughtful with our placements.
And then I like to put fruit. Here I'm using raspberries and bananas. Ideally they're fresh, but they could be frozen. The point is that it looks really cool. So I'm using some fresh raspberries here. You could use any fresh fruit you want, literally any kind at all. All right, we've got some banana here. I'm gonna cut half of it. I'm gonna freeze the other half of the banana and save it for later.
My main rule is don't put any two ingredients that are really similar in color right next to each other because I want them all to pop. Pop, 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 pop.
And then I like to use something fun. So I'm using some coconut shreds here, but this could be shaved chocolate or chia seeds or even a dollop of peanut butter. So let's just hit that final corner with the granola. And this looks like a $15 bowl I'd get down the street. It looks fantastic, but it comes to only $2.77 a serving. And we still get to post it on social media as if we spent a whole bunch of money. And I'm pulling out the latest and greatest technology right now. Oh yeah. I'm going in. I want coconut. I'm just feeling coconut right now. It's absolutely delicious. It's like we're having a dairy-free blueberry sorbet. It's sweet, it's delicious. I love the dark color, and I love the crunchy almonds on top. It's so much more than a smoothie because it has all these fun toppings, and that means variations in flavor and texture. And it's so affordable that you can have it every day of the week and twice on Sundays. It's adorable.